PulzBait is far more than a simple bait or lure. It's a device that generates movement all on its own. There's no need to pull the bait or lure away from the fish you're targeting. PulzBait achieves lifelike movement, just like an injured prey fish, all on its own. Plugs, crankbaits, spinners, spoons, soft and hard baits need water pressure and traction created by an angler retrieving their bait to generate life. Without significant water pressure on a diving lip, the spinner blade, or the tail of a soft plastic, these classic lures are simply dead objects that are of no interest to predators. So PulzBait is a new tool for anglers. It allows completely new techniques and approaches to both lure and bait fishing. It allows your bait or lure to stay longer among the fish you want to catch, instead of always being pulled away from them. So PulzBait is more than a bait and lure. PulzBait is a new tool for the angling world. Nothing like it has ever existed before. The way it moves is generated by a programmed printed circuit board, or PCBA. PulzBait is the first really genuine smart bait on the market. The movement generated by PulzBait is irregular. It moves just like a live creature trying to escape from a predator. Fish hate regular, repeated movement. Predators can be triggered to attack by random movement. In addition, because PulzBait generates its own movements, you don't need to wind. You can leave it much longer among the fish you're targeting. The longer it's in the right zone, the more chance you have of getting more takes. That means you'll end up catching more fish. The PulzBait drives are high-tech products containing the most advanced electronic components inside. We've made huge efforts in developing long-lasting products, with components as small but as solid as possible. This means they're tough enough to withstand fierce attacks from fish with teeth. It was a huge challenge to put them together with the right high-quality components offering you the right running times, but we managed it, and we're proud of the results. PulzBait is designed for the use of soft plastic lures, but also inside a real baitfish that's dead. Our soft plastics are made of TPE and are therefore extremely solid. Our soft plastics are hollow inside to host the drives of our PulzBait. The rigging of our soft plastic is very simple and easy. If live baiting is forbidden, you can give life back to a dead baitfish by using a PulzBait. Such versatility never existed before. Using PulzBait in a dead baitfish is even better than the use of a classic live bait. As anglers who are experts in the use of live baits know, baitfish will sometimes stay calm and still to evade a predator attack. That doesn't happen with a PulzBait drive. In Europe, they're ideal to target pike, zander, catfish, big perch and black bass. They're also a great option for sea fishing. Sea bass, for example, love PulzBait, as well as many other marine species. Our drives and soft plastics come in two sizes: small for 15 cm soft plastics and large for 20 cm soft plastics. For use inside dead baitfish, a small drive is ideal for fish of 18 to 21 cm. The large drive is suitable for baitfish of 25 to 27 cm. Our soft plastics and rigs allow you to use the soft plastics for spin fishing, jigging, vertical and float fishing. They can even be used for static ledgering. Our drives are ideal to be used inside dead baitfish for vertical and float fishing. So PulzBait can also be used for passive fishing techniques. Exactly. For the first time, it's now possible to use artificial lures for passive fishing techniques. An angler can sit in their chair, relax, and let PulzBait drive do all the rest. That's a huge innovation and was never possible until now. Our products are solid, but do require being well treated. Don't cast them onto rocks, don't expose them to high temperatures, and try not to bend the pin. Although PulzBaits are waterproof to a depth of 10 meters, they aren't designed to fish at depths over 7 metres. This is because of fish welfare. Pulling fish up from deep water like that can cause barotrauma, which is caused by the pressure change. It means fish are less likely to go back safely when you're fishing catch and release. Insert the PulzBait drive carefully and without excessive pressure inside the soft plastics and reel bait fish. The same also applies when you take the drives out of soft plastics or reel bait fish. You need to take care not to pull the cap off the end of the pin when removing the drive. If you do, it could allow water into the drive next time you fish and damage the electronics. Once properly assembled, your PulzBait drives will be attacked by fish with the fiercest jaws on the planet. That's what we've designed them for, and they can withstand almost anything. However, as you can probably understand, it's simply not possible to create drives that withstand the toothy jaws of many of the predators you'll target. While our product warranty covers malfunctions, it can't cover serious damage caused by teeth. Hopefully, you'll have caught lots of fish with your PulzBait before that happens. Thank you for your understanding. When designing the PulzBait drives, we decided to go for an hermetically sealed drive in order to protect the high-tech electronics inside. We've opted to use a clever magnetic switch include a magnet. The PulzBait drives come along with 3 different pre-programmed movement patterns. By touching the PulzBait drives for 2 seconds with a magnet on the left side of the front, the drive is activated. A red light will show up. This red light shows the fastest, most aggressive movement pattern is activated. If you then use your magnet to touch the same place for just 1 second again, then a green light will show up. That tells you our medium movement pattern is activated. It generates less movement than the pattern indicated by the red light. Then, if you touch the drive with the magnet again, a blue light will show up. This tells you our slowest pattern is activated. The bait or lure moves more slowly, like a fish that's dying or struggling to swim. To deactivate PulzBait drives, you just touch the drive with the magnet in the same place for 2 seconds. The drive will stop working. Our drives come with a magnet and a USB charging cable. The charging cable has 2 magnetic contacts at one end. There are also magnets on the charging contacts, so the plug will automatically find its charging position. Charging times for our drives varies according to their size, but is between 40 and 90 minutes. A blinking red light indicates that the drive is charging. As soon as you see a continuous green light, the drive is fully charged. Once you see the green light, disconnect the drive from your charging cable. This will help preserve the life of your battery.